Alright guys, we're back. 2019 TLX. We're going to pull the condenser out. I've already sucked the AC out. Probably the reason why you're pulling your condenser out is because it's probably broke. You hit something and it's already, all the AC is already gone. There's two 10s that hold right here. There's 110 here and there's 110 down here. Okay, these two are the AC lines that go to the condenser, and then you got the two brackets. There's one here and there's one here. Okay, two short 10s, and then these 10s are only for the condenser. Anything longer, you'll puncture it. Don't do that. Make sure you reuse these bolts. Okay, and then if you just give it a little wiggle, they'll pop out as so. And then the radiator has to be out. Slides this way. Come here, Corey. You see the condenser. I'll slide it outwards like this, and slide it up. As you see, and it comes out. Very simple, very perfect. What I would recommend doing, get some aluminum tape and covering these guys so we can not contaminate the inside of the condenser as best as possible, so we can reuse it. Now this guy will come off. Finally, this guy will come off. But that's about it for right now.